welcome back to my vlog. I am Maestri Puspita Ningrum. So today we are going to do DIY, which is making paper bag from gift paper. For example, like this. So usually if you want to give a gift to someone and want to use a paper bag, usually you guys will buy with a pretty expensive price. So only with gift paper which costs 1,000 rupiah. Then we will make our paper bag and let's get started. So before we start making the paper bag, we have to prepare the material need. For your own ingredient, it is easy to find and you usually have it at home. The first, of course, is wrapping paper. And then the paper glue, ruler, marker, knife never, scissors, and the ribbon. Okay, let's just make it. Thing to do is to fold working paper like this. Don't forget to leave a little part of the end. Then at the end we leave with no paper glue. This. After that, fold the part that have been given glue into. After that, fold back the wrapping paper. Like this. In this folded part, we open. After that, the end of the paper are folded in and giving glue. Like this. The section is for the bottom part of the paper bag. Like this. Next, we will make the side of the paper bag. Here we use a ruler to make it neater. The side is folded without being given. Don't forget right and left side. Like this. We fold the top part again like this. Next, we will draw a hole using the marker. In the middle above the handle, the paper bag. For the side, the optional paper bag. Adjust your taste. After that, then the hole we have made is helped by using cutter. Next, we can cut the corner using scissors and don't forget left and right. a card in the closing section of the paper bag. Here we use coin for the pattern. Then the scissors in accordance with the pattern that has been provided. Like this. Okay, after that, open the paper bag so that the volume and the center are bent inward. Then in the closing section, you can cut the one of them. And then, if you want to add a ribbon, you can like this. Like this. You can take the paper. So finish paper bag from the wrapping paper. Guys, for my today vlog DIY, I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and hopefully this DIY vlog is useful for all of you. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching and see you next time.